Okay, in this video, we are going to talk about one of the ways that you can use to protect yourself when you are trading Forex so that you do not lose all your money. Let's face it, trading is risky. You might not want to accept it, or you might want to accept it somewhat, but trading is risky. Every trader will lose some money at some point, at some time. So it's important that you take measures, you take steps to protect yourself. So, what is one of the best ways to protect yourself? This is what we are going to discuss in this video. So, what I noticed about many traders is the majority of traders do not know when to get out of their losing trades. They don't know whether they should just close it and walk away. And understandably, it's painful because it's your money and you are watching the market take your money. So sometimes traders tend to hold on to losing trades for longer, way longer than they should. And they end up blowing their accounts because they are hoping somewhat the market will turn and they can make their money back, which is the wrong way to be trading the markets. If you've set your stop loss and price is coming to your stop loss, accept that it happens and you move on. Sometimes people tend to just start moving their stop loss, or they take it off the charts completely, and they hold on to the losing trades until they blow their account. So, how do you protect yourself in scenarios like that? How do you protect? It's so easy. It's so easy, and many people, I don't know why they don't do this. What you want to do is, when you're trading, listen carefully. What you want to do when you're trading is you need to have a plan for withdrawals. You need to have a plan for withdrawals. That's how you protect yourself. So, what am I talking about? Say you have a $100 account. You have a $100 account, and you're trading and you're trading and you're trading and you are making money. You are on a winning streak. You are winning, and you get that $100 account to say 200, for argument's sake, or let's say to 250 or 300. What you want to do is you want to take out that $100, the initial $100, get it out, withdraw it, and put it somewhere on your screen or on a teller or somewhere. Just let it sit there. This is your insurance policy. That's your insurance policy. This is to protect you against complete and total loss. Because what usually happens is people, they flip that $100 into $1,000, and they don't take a single withdrawal from that, and they are hoping to make that $100 into 10,000. Guess what happens? At 9,999, they blow the account, and they've never touched a cent, and they never withdrew the money. So now they have to start afresh. They need to now again go and find another $100 to fund their account. Don't be that person. When you flip your account, take out the initial deposit, or you take it out with some profit and you put it somewhere. Then you can trade with what's left in the account. If the market happens to just turn against you, some horrible thing happens, God forbid, and you blow your account, you still have something somewhere. You can easily come back again. The thing is, you need to be able to bounce back again. Don't worry about people who promise you that they make money all the time. It's fine. But the realities of Forex is we all blow up some accounts here and there. Maybe not as every day as people who are starting, but it happens. What you want to do is protect yourself. So the moment you double your account, the moment you triple your account, I don't know if you want to do this when you've doubled your account or when you've tripled your account, but the moment that you have done that, take out the initial deposit, whether the initial deposit exactly or with some profit, and you put it aside. Now you are only risking, because you only risk what's in your account. Now you are only risking your profit. You are only risking your profit. If it happens that you blow that account, at least you can still come back and make another deposit from that reserve. You don't have to again go back somewhere and start begging people for money or sell stuff around the house in order to make that deposit again. So I hope this helps you and it empowers you. Protect yourself, make withdrawals, have a schedule for withdrawals so that you do not lose your whole account. Don't lose your whole account. Okay, I hope this helps you. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.